Rays taking on the Athletics. Chris Archer on the mound for Tampa Bay, looking for his 5th win of the season. In a jam, though, in the first, 2 on and 2 out, facing Stephen Vogt.
He got him. Comes back to strike him out. Cut the miss.
He's got folded second and Reddick at first with 2 out in a scoreless game in the third. Archer, first base out of the rubber, delivers. Swing on a miss. He got him with a slider. And Butler is retired, and so are the A's. They strand 2 more. Here's Stephen Vogt. No scores. We start this 4th inning.
Oh, a long one. Back into right. Souza Jr. is going to watch it get out. Home run on a 2-0 fastball. Vogt homers, and it's 1-0 Oakland.
So the Rays with runners at the corners, and now here's Evan. The tying run 90 feet away.
And a high shot deep into left. That's got great carry. Gone! Home run for Evan Longoria. 1-2 fastball, and Longoria turns it around. It's 3-1 Tampa Bay.
So 2-0 the count. Big pitch coming up here with the bases loaded. Swing and a drive into center field. Coming in at first was Geyer. He hits the brakes, goes back a step, and makes the catch to retire the side. The A's loaded him, and they leave him loaded.
There's a shot deep to left, and that one gets out of here. He turns a fastball around, and the Rays get another run. It's 4-1. 7th home run of the year for Souza.
There's a swing and a high, deep drive into left field. This should be on its way, and gone. Home run. Near the Captain Morgan deck for Tim Beckham, and the Rays lead is 5-1. What a shot. 2 down, 9th inning. Vogt to the plate, 5-2 Rays, and Boxberger needing 1 out for a save.
Boxberger gets him. Struck him out with a fastball in, taking game 2 of the 4-game series.
The Rays take it by a final of 5-2. They've now won 4 of their last 5 games. Archer gets his 5th win of the year, allowing 1 run in 5 1/3 innings while striking out 8. The A's go 0 for 11 with runners in scoring position, leaving 12 men on base.